This class is amazing. Like, I've learned new styles, new techniques that I've never even heard of before. It's really helped. He has techniques for inserting flowers. He has little tips and tricks to keep things going faster and better. So it's a really great class. I'm glad I came.
Cut everyday flowers in the shop and place it just to be show it for the customer. Is to demonstrate our passion, what we can do for them, what we can express to them in our daily job. So this kind of class is very important because improve the knowledge of everyone.
Definitely come to the Floreology Institute. It is really fun. It pushes the limits of your abilities in your mind. Like, I did things I never thought I could do before, so I highly recommend the Floreology classes.
Thank you for tuning in to Floreology's YouTube channel. If you liked the video you just watched, please give it a thumbs up.
And for more information on Floreology, log on to www.floreologyinstitute.com. And if you want to subscribe, click the button.